Hi everyone, today on Belly Strong we're going through our level 4 Diastasis Recti workout. I hope you've had a chance to look at and do the other ones before getting up to this point, just to make sure you're absolutely comfortable with everything. We'll start as always in our all fours position. Hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath hips. Rock the pelvis forward and back, settle into a middle neutral. As you exhale, draw those tummy muscles in and push out of those shoulders. Today, we've got a lift, opposite arm and leg. We crunch in, float out, and back down. And we do 2 on one side before switching. Up, bring it in, lengthen out, bring it in, out and down. So keep going here. As you lengthen out those arms and legs, imagine someone's pulling you from the arm and the leg. We really want a lengthening feeling there. You should feel those obliques working as we bring that leg in, up, in, lengthen, in, lengthen, down. Keep those abdominals braced. Let's go for 2 more on each side. Make sure, as always, that that trunk isn't shifting from side to side. Everything stays in the middle. Last one. And down. From here, we've done some kneeling planks previously. Now you're going to come up into plank on your hands. If those wrists can't handle it, come down onto your elbows. But full plank. Tuck the pelvis slightly under. Have a look down, make sure that belly isn't pointing. Keep pushing out of those shoulders. And now we go. Drop one knee, drop the other. Just in place. Keeping that torso nice and stable. We're also getting a little bit of a calf stretch here. We're going 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want you to keep going because now we're going to twist the hips here. First one, we were keeping those hips stable or still, and now we're letting those hips drop with that knee as we work those obliques. And drop. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a quick break to offload those shoulders. We've got one more exercise in that plank position. So we'll get into that same starting position. Tuck that pelvis under, bringing the hips forwards. Now we've got single leg lift, down. Single leg lift, down. You're really focusing on squeezing that glute or buttock muscle to lift that leg up. Lift and down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. 3 moves. We repeat that once again, starting with that crunch and lengthen. Find that starting position. Exhale, brace those abs. Opposite arm and leg lift. Bring it in. 2 times. before switching. In, out, in, out, slowly down. The hand and the knee should hit the mat at the same time. Up, in. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. And down. Come into a full plank position here. Bring those hips forwards, push out of those shoulders. Alternate knees down to the mat. First, we're keeping everything still. We're not twisting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now add that twist, twist, and twist. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees in, quick break. Then we've got alternate leg lifts. Squeeze glute, lift up, bring it slowly down. Keep that breath going. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Right, that's everything in that all fours or plank position. So now we move to a side plank position. We did this last week with our knees bent on the mat. This time we're extending them out. So make sure you're pushing up out of that elbow as you lift both hips off the mat, and we're going down and up, down and up. Keep flattening through that stomach, ribs down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Now we're going up, then back to center. Up, back to center. Really pushing out of that shoulder, squeezing those obliques to get that side crunch. If this is a bit too much for you and you're still working your way up there, like last time, we can do this in a kneeling plank position. Let's do 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Switch those legs over. Let's do that on the other side. Push out of that bottom shoulder. Extend those legs and down and up. Make sure everything is in a nice straight line. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Now we go up and down. Tiny movement. Up and down. A reminder that you can be here if you're struggling in that extended plank position. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, turn onto your back here. Just rock that pelvis a few times. Exhale as you flatten the ribs, brace the abs so there's a bit of tension there. Lift one leg into a knee hugging position and then bring the other leg to join. As you exhale, you're going to come up into a small crunch. Everything stays flat. If having the crunch or the addition of the crunch is too difficult, just keep your head on the mat. Otherwise, as we inhale, we shoot one leg out and then switch. Inhale in, exhale, other leg shoots out. If you are adding that crunch, you're not looking down, it's more of a up. So your eye line is still up towards the ceiling. And keep breathing. Inhale, switch, exhale, shoot that leg out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head down. Keep those knees in here, but make sure the knees and the feet are touching. You can put your hands underneath your buttocks to add a bit of support here, because now we're going into a double leg drop. So we tap those toes down, bring the legs back up to center. Try to make sure that the lower back does not lift off the mat. We want to keep everything flattened through the front of those abs. And as you, or if you extend, we then make this a little bit harder. Down and up. Feet are relaxed, thighs are relaxed. It's the lower abs bringing those legs back in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep the legs up here. Now we've got an exhale as you lift the legs up into a reverse curl and then extend them downwards. Up, extend. If you're battling with that extension, keep the knees a little bit bent as you drop the toes down to the mat. And when you reverse curl, it's not you swinging the legs to get up, it's the pelvis tucking to lift those legs up towards the ceiling. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those feet down to the mat. We'll work on the glutes for a little bit before we repeat. So bring those hips up to the ceiling. Tucking that pelvis under here so ribs are still flat. You're going to lift one leg up to the ceiling. We've got down and up 3 times. So a single leg bridge before we switch to the other side. 3, 2, 1, switch. 3, 2, 1. And on the switch, make sure you keep both hips lifted. We don't want everything to drop as we switch those legs. Down, 2, 3, switch. Down, 2, 3, switch. Really thrust those hips up to the ceiling as you push through that heel. 1 more each side. And down. Last one. feet down. Hug those knees. Just stretch out that lower back for a little. Now that we know all the moves, we repeat that again. So flatten through those ribs, brace those abs, knees into the chest. Come up with that head if you're adding that crunch, and we extend. Inhale to switch, exhale, extending that leg out. Keep it going. We've got 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those knees into that chest. Double leg drops, knees together, feet together. Drop feet down to the mat, come back up to tabletop. And up, down, tabletop. Once again, if you like the extra challenge, you can extend those legs all the way down and then back up to tabletop. As long as you can keep form and you're not seeing any coning happening. And relax the shoulders and the neck. All of this work is happening in the lower half of your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similar movement, but I guess now we're just adding that reverse curl. Exhale up, take those legs down, down. And I can feel myself fatiguing a little. So what I do then is I usually alternate between the hard version and the modified version. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those legs down. This is our final exercise for today. Lift the hips up to the ceiling. Slight tuck in that pelvis. Flatten those ribs. One leg up, and we pulse for 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring it down and switch. 3, 2, 1. Switch. Avoid holding that breath. Relax the arms, relax the shoulders, relax the neck. You should be feeling all of this work in those glutes. 3, 2, 1, and switch 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. And come down, bring those knees into the chest, stretching out that lower back, stretching out those glutes. Inhale, exhale. And then relax. That is our level 4 workout complete. We do have tons more workouts on the Belly Strong channel, more resources on the Belly Strong website. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a like if you've enjoyed this workout today. I'll see you soon on another video.